Yes, I'm finishing an order from one of my subscribers or one of my customers. He asked me to get these two model engines, the Halloween engine and a custom Timothy Ghost engine. So you can do that too if you want one of these model engines to get it from me. At this moment I'm selling these models for $45 including shipping to the US, and you can compare the prices to the eBay seller. He is selling it for $65 on eBay, but you can get him for $45 on my Facebook. You can send me a message in there, and actually you can get it, for lower price instead of paying big bucks, for this. Of course, on eBay you gotta pay extra for the taxes. But anyway, it's up to you. If you want to buy from that seller, it's okay. If you want to buy from me, that will be really helpful. So this was sold for $85 including shipping for one of our subscribers or customers. He lives in Honolulu, Hawaii. So this blue Henry is going to Hawaii. Wow, this is amazing. I really appreciate for those who are helping me a lot on buying my model engines. I know it takes a lot of time to make these custom model engines, and I really appreciate the time you are taking to buy and support my my channel. So if you want to help me, please let the ads run, the ads you see at the beginning or in the middle of my videos, so that way I I can get some help from you guys. Watching the ads helps me a lot. I mean a lot. So anyways, thank you for watching my videos, and I see you next time. Bye.